Welcome to Best Choice. The best digital multimeter is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working with electronics or electricity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious hobbyist, a reliable DMM is crucial for diagnosing problems, testing circuits, and ensuring safety. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of digital multimeters, exploring their features, functions, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. AstroAI Digital Multimeter Tester. This digital multimeter accurately measures AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diodes. It's a really useful tool for solving electrical issues, both in your home and in industrial settings. Use it for household outlets, fuses, batteries, automotive circuits, and more. This device is suitable for testing electronics in cars and charging systems. With a sampling speed of twice per second, the built-in backlight LCD display provides clear readings. It features 3.5 digits, 1999 count, and high polarity indication. Double fuses protect against overloading, and the silicone cover prevents damage and electric shocks. A low battery indicator alerts you when it's time to replace the batteries. It supports data hold, auto shutoff, and a continuity buzzer. The LCD backlit screen makes it easy to use in dimly lit areas. Batteries, test leads, and a user manual are included. Ensure the test leads are fully inserted into the correct sockets and the rotary switch is in the right position. Remember, it can't test all AC current and below 100 MV AC voltage. Always check the user manual before use. If you have any questions, our California-based support team is here to help. They will respond within 24 hours. Contact us anytime. What we like. This multimeter is a great all-rounder, capable of measuring voltage, current, and resistance. It also includes a double fuse for added safety, protecting you from overloads. If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who needs a reliable tool for various electrical tasks, this is a solid choice. Its user-friendly design and safety features make it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. What people say. The display is clear and large, and the readings are fast and accurate. The accurate readings provide assurance in my measurements, and the inclusion of a data hold feature is incredibly useful for capturing readings in hard-to-reach places. The reliable continuity testing has saved me countless hours troubleshooting circuits. Number 4. KAIWEETS HT118A Digital Multimeter. This multimeter accurately measures voltage, current, resistance, and more. It's designed to provide precise readings for various electrical tasks. You can rely on it for accurate results. The HT118A handles up to 1000 V DC and 750 V AC voltage. It also tests temperature, capacitance, and frequency. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Switching functions is simple with the dial, and the LED lights guide you. The large, backlit LCD screen is easy to read. Auto-ranging simplifies the process, making it user-friendly. It includes non-contact voltage testing and a live function with alarms. The flashlight helps in dim environments. Features like min-max average recording and data retention add to its versatility. The multimeter is IEC rated and CE, RoHS certified, ensuring safety. It has anti-burn protection and high voltage protection on all ranges. The double insulation and protective case add extra safety. KAIWEETS offers a 36-month after-sales service and lifetime technical support. The package includes everything you need to get started. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This multimeter features true RMS, ensuring accurate readings for nonlinear loads. With its wide measurement range, it can handle a variety of electrical tasks. If you're working with automotive circuits or industrial applications, this multimeter's comprehensive features and safety certifications make it a reliable and versatile tool. It's a great choice for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. What people say. The replacement unit works well. It does meet specifications listed in the manual. Also has features that help beginners and technicians, and has a big display size that lights up red when dangerous voltage levels are measured. The construction is accurate and there is an uncommon search to make its use intuitive. The materials are pleasant to the touch and the probes, discreet, are similar to mid-range devices and do not require to be replaced with better ones. Number 3. KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter with Case. Introducing the KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter. It's a versatile tool designed for various electrical tests. This multimeter is perfect for both professionals and home users. This multimeter can test AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and more. It also includes a continuity and diode test function. It's a comprehensive solution for your testing needs. The KAIWEETS digital multimeter is built with safety in mind, featuring overload protection and double fuses. It's IEC rated Cat 3600V, CE, and RoHS certified. You can rely on it for accurate readings. It has a data hold and backlight function for easy use in any environment. The rotary switch makes it easy to select the right test range. The included batteries and carrying case add to its convenience. This multimeter is suitable for electricians, household use, automotive, and industrial electrical problems. It's a great tool for anyone who needs to test electrical circuits. KAIWEETS provides a lifetime after-sales service and technical support. What we like. This multimeter offers lifetime after-sales service and technical support, providing peace of mind. It also includes anti-burn double fuses for added safety. If you value long-term support and reliable protection, this multimeter is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a dependable tool with excellent customer service. What people say. The multimeter has a clear and easy-to-read display. The auto-ranging feature is very convenient. It accurately measured voltage, current, and resistance. Number 2. TESMEN TM510 Smart Digital Multimeter. This smart digital multimeter features a smart auto mode. It allows you to quickly switch between all measurement tasks. It makes measuring work easy, fast, and accurate. This multimeter has a non-contact voltage test function. It provides a visual and audible alarm for safety. You can measure the voltage on the AC wire without connecting the wire. It is Cat 2600V, CE, and RoHS certified. Overload protection measures are used inside the instrument. The outer silicone cover protects the multimeter from damage and potential electric shock. It supports data hold, automatic shutdown, low battery indicator, backlight display, and flashlight. All these features make it perfect for daily use. Enjoy endless DIY fun with it. In auto mode, if the detected battery voltage is below 0.8 V, the device will automatically measure the resistance. The package includes a digital multimeter, test leads, a storage bag, batteries, and a user manual. What we like. This multimeter features a smart auto mode, simplifying measurements. It also includes a non-contact voltage test for added safety and convenience. If you're looking for a user-friendly multimeter that simplifies your work, this is the one for you. Its smart features and ease of use make it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. What people say. Auto ranging works well and the audible and visual continuity indicator is great for checking fuses and switches. The voltage, continuity, and resistance measurements are accurate, and the digital display is clear and legible. The functionality is great, auto mode works well for my purposes, readings are fairly accurate, leads have the nice silicone insulation, just the leads on my main multimeter cost about 4x more than this entire kit. It does feel fairly light duty but many of my cheapo meters are well over 5 years old and going strong. The light is a little dim but enough if you're in a pinch. Backlight is great and screen contrast is good, however doesn't have the widest viewing angle. There's a buzzer for continuity and it comes with a little case and batteries. Number 1. Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit. This kit includes a multimeter that can measure up to 600 V AC/DC voltage, 10 A DC current, and 2 ohms resistance. It's a versatile tool for various electrical testing needs. The MM300 multimeter features both visual and audible indicators for continuity testing. This allows you to quickly and easily check if a circuit is complete. The NCVT1P has a bright LED that indicates its working status. When voltage is detected, the LED changes to red and produces audible tones, making it easy to identify live circuits. The NCVT1P is designed to detect voltage in the range of 50 to 1000 VAC. It uses a bright red LED and an audible tone to alert you to the presence of voltage. The kit also includes the RT105 receptacle tester. This tool detects wiring configurations, indicates correct wiring, and identifies common wiring faults. The receptacle tester identifies open ground, open hot, open neutral, and hot ground reversed. It helps you quickly diagnose common wiring problems. Test leads are included for the multimeter, and batteries are provided for both the non-contact voltage tester and the multimeter. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This electrical test kit includes a multimeter, non-contact voltage tester, and electrical outlet tester. The non-contact voltage tester provides added safety. If you're an electrician or someone who needs a complete set of tools for electrical work, this kit is a great choice. It's a comprehensive solution for various testing needs. What people say. The display is clear and easy to read, even in lower light. The auto-ranging feature works accurately and saves a lot of time when switching between different measurements. It handles voltage, continuity, and resistance testing reliably, and the leads are sturdy with good flexibility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.